cloud of gas collapses to form a cluster of stars. The cloud is only 16 trillion miles across and is located within our own Milky Way galaxy. It has the mass of 500 suns. Collapse forms regions of higher density and temperature, indicated by orange and yellow. These collapse further to form stars, the growing swarm of small white dots. The star formation process, presented here in just over a minute, typically takes from hundreds of thousands to millions of years. It all started with a vanishingly tiny effect of gravity, the attraction between individual hydrogen molecules in the cloud. Leave them alone for enough time, and you get stars. Revisit the simulation of forming stars, but now each box follows the evolution of an individual new star, beginning at the moment of its formation. Each box is a tiny region, its size measured not in trillions of miles, but in billions of miles. The effects of gravity don't stop with the formation of stars. Each one clings to a bit of its natal cloud. Planets assemble from these gassy, dusty disks and spirals. In the end, planets are invisible next to the intense light of a luminous point, the star they orbit. Is now just 100 times the diameter of our solar system. Planets form in gravitational instabilities. Wisps of gas that are slightly more dense than their surroundings collapse into dense masses called protoplanets. Some protoplanets survive to become planets, similar to our Jupiter. Some disperse. Planets are effects of gravity.
Emma, 3 years old, dips her finger into a puddle at the river's edge. She swizzles it around and around, delighting in the eddies and bubbles and the whirlpools she has conjured. I watch the draining tub, how the flatness of my bathwater spins into a vortex, how the emptiness consumes all. I confess a guilty fascination when I click into weather.com and witness chaotic, elegant imprint of our planetary origins in the fury of tornadoes that ripped through the heartland and the hurricanes that beat Puerto Rico to a pulp. Dust and gas, plus the instabilities of the gravitational field, plus core accretion equal planets. Dust and gas, plus the instabilities of life, and the imperative to stick together equals the human condition. This swirling gravitational pull, this drawing in towards solidity is how the making happens. Stirring her conjuring pot at the fire, the shaman makes potions that create other worlds. All that is real, All that is imagined, all of us, all of it, born from one kind of gravity or another.